Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the cone so the sticker adheres reliably. Wipe the target area with isopropyl, dry thoroughly, moisture ruins bonds. Once done, mark a center line with a small piece of tape to guide placement. Test fit the sticker without removing backing to see how it wraps around curves. Use a squeegee and a steady hand. This minimizes bubbles and ensures the sticker sits flat. Do this now so later steps focus only on application and sealing. You peel a small section of the backing, about 1/2 to 1 inch, to control placement. Align that exposed edge to your tape center line, then press the exposed area to anchor the sticker. Once anchored, remove backing gradually while smoothing with long squeegee strokes from center outward. This reduces trapped air. For curved cones, gently heat with a heat gun or hair dryer at about 110 degrees to relax the vinyl. Do not overheat. Keep checking alignment as you go so the graphic stays straight. You finish by trimming any excess material with a fresh blade, leaving a small 1-2 mm edge to allow shrink and prevent lifting. Press the edges firmly with a squeegee and let the adhesive cure for 24 hours before heavy use. If small bubbles remain, don't peel the sticker. Pierce with a tiny pin to vent air, then smooth and heat gently to reseal. If the sticker lifts, clean the area, reapply with a new adhesive promoter, and press firmly until secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.